Discover the revolution in wood processing with the new machine from Boldrew, a global leader in innovative solutions. This machine is not just a tool, it's the key to your future. Fully mobile and designed for easy transportation, it allows you to change locations effortlessly. Forget about limitations and be where your work is needed the most. A regular car with a tow hitch is all you need to transport this technological innovation. The speed of installation of this machine is another of its advantages. A few minutes, that's all it takes for it to be ready for work. Minimized setup time means more time for production. Computer-precise control ensures wood processing with millimeter accuracy. Achieve perfection in every project, thanks to technology that knows no errors. Hydraulic turning of logs is a game-changing feature. Now you decide how and when to turn the log, all from the comfort of the operator's station. Independence and control are in your hands. And finally, a complete set. This machine is 100% ready to work from the moment of delivery. No hidden costs, no need to buy additional accessories. Fully prepared for use and compliant with traffic regulations. Choosing Boldrew means relying on reliability, innovation, and excellence. Join the ranks of satisfied customers around the world who are already enjoying the benefits of working with Boldrew machines. Your future in wood processing starts now. Learn more about Boldrew's offer by clicking the link in the description of this video.